Finally, we will cover how to build and export the Trelliscope display. For additional help on how to use our example data, see the bonus video using Mode's example data. For additional details on how to explore data in Trelliscope displays and share them with others, see our bonus video on how to use and share Trelliscope displays. In this final step of Mode, first check the metas you'd like to end up in the final Trelliscope display. These will include auto-generated metas for each plot type and biomolecule information columns when applicable. For example, if plotting abundance box plots with group information, you could make a Trelliscope display with sample counts per group, mean abundances per group, ANOVA p-values per comparison, and any additional biomolecule information, like a protein that a peptide maps to. Adding these metas allows for sorting and filtering by these values in the Trelliscope display. Afterwards, check that you're okay with the estimated build time on the Trelliscope display. If not, try filtering down panels with the optional Filter Plot step. Next, name the Trelliscope display. Any special characters are removed when building the Trelliscope display, so keep the name to alphabet and numeric characters. When ready, click Create Trelliscope Display. A load bar will let you know the building progress on the Trelliscope display. When finished, the display should open. If not, try the Refresh Display button. Once done, click Download Display. For more information on how to use the display or how to share it, see the bonus video, How to Use and Share Trelliscope Displays. Thank you for watching our series on the Mode application. We hope it was helpful.